Achanana Esicha Buchongo, Njo, Baridi Baridi. In 2019, I came to Tanzania. I observed 7 out of 10 ACs are not being used. Why? People are purchasing cheap ACs and suffering from high book cost, ACs not cooling well, repeat repairment. In the end, customer gave up to use ACs. This is why we established Baridi Baridi to solve these issues by providing high quality AC and service. A Baridi Baridi AC is more expensive, but lifetime cost is much lower because of the book savings by 56% compared to cheap ACs. And our AC is cooling well, Baridi Baridi, and they have high endurance that you can use AC for longer. So to make this service more affordable, we offer the high quality ACs with 180,000 as an initial cost. Achanana AC Jam Chongo, Njo Baridi Baridi.